How can buyer inspections impact you as a seller when selling your Lodi, California 95240 and 95242 home? During the home buying process, buyers are always advised to get a few inspections of a property: a general inspection, a wood destroying pest inspection, a roof inspection, often HVAC, chimney, and pool inspections.
Hi, we are Jim and Lisa Kwashnick with Homes by Jim and Lisa, brokered by eXp Realty. Typically, the buyer and their agent will schedule the inspections, asking you to leave while they are being conducted. After the inspections have been completed, the buyer and their agent will review the inspection reports, deciding on which repairs they would like to ask you to have completed prior to the close of escrow.
It's typically advised that buyers only ask for fire, life, and safety repairs to be completed. Sometimes buyers like to shoot for the moon and ask the seller to fix everything, every item on the inspection reports to be completed. At this point, the buyer's agent will send over a request for repairs. We have an opportunity to agree, offer to make some of the repairs, offer an allowance if the lender allows it, or say no to the request. But keep in mind, you and the buyer cannot come to an agreement on repairs. The buyer would have the option to terminate the contract and get a full refund of their deposit. Of course, only if they are within the inspection contingency period, which is found in the purchase agreement.
Special attention needs to be paid to repair requests for those with a buyer using FHA or VA financing. For an FHA loan, any insect or dry rot issues found in Section 1 of the Pest Inspection Report must be remedied and damage repaired prior to the loan funding to close of escrow. If it's a VA, both Section 1 and 2 items must be completed. In fact, if it's a VA loan, the seller is required to pay for the inspection, as the veteran is not allowed. These government loans have a list of minimum property requirements that have to be met in order for the buyer to obtain the financing needed to purchase the property. But don't worry, we are there to walk you through.
Aside from the inspections, if the buyer is obtaining financing to purchase your home, the lender will require an appraisal. The appraiser will also look for required items in the minimum property requirements list, like the water heater, is it strapped or braced? Does the home have the minimum required smoke and carbon monoxide detectors? It is always a good idea to complete these items prior to listing your home for sale.
It's important to remember it is the inspector's job to point out any deferred maintenance and report any minor or major problems with the property. Please don't take it personally.
We are Jim and Lisa Kwashnick with Homes by Jim and Lisa, brokered by eXp Realty. Give us a call today with any of your Lodi, California 95240 and 95242 home buying and selling concerns. Remember, even if you're selling your home on your own, you're never alone with us.